Laptop with AMD Ryzen7, 8-core processor 71% off. CPU, AMD Ryzen7 5700U. Memory, 16GB DDR4, max 32GB. Screen, 15.6 inches Full HD. GPU, AMD Radeon Graphics. Hard drive size, 512GB. Garmin Forerunner 265 running smartwatch, $100 off. Colorful AMOLED display. Training metrics and recovery insights. Android operating system. Up to 20 hours of battery life in GPS mode. Battery capacity, 2,000 milliamp hours. AULA F75 wireless mechanical keyboard, 75% off. AULA F75 wireless mechanical keyboard supports BT50, 4 GHz wireless and USB wired connection. It can connect up to 5 devices at the same time and easily switch by shortcut keys or side button. The rechargeable keyboard is equipped with a 4000 mAh large capacity battery. This custom mechanical keyboard with hot-swappable base supports 3-pin or 5-pin switches replacement. F75 light-up LED keyboard features 16.8 million RGB lighting color, with 16 lighting effects to add a great atmosphere to the game. EDJO wireless keyboard and mouse combo 28% off. EDJO full-sized wireless keyboard is ergonomically designed with palm rest. Plug and play 2.4G wireless connection. Automatic power-saving function. After 30min auto-enter sleep. 3-level DPI, adjustable wireless optical mouse. Apple AirPods Pro 23% off. Second generation with MagSafe charging case. AirPods Pro 2 pair with Apple Vision Pro to deliver lossless audio with ultra-low latency. An inward-facing microphone works with voice enhancement algorithms to recognize and articulate your voice. A custom-built driver and amplifier work with the H2 chip to provide lower distortion during playback. Noise-canceling microphones and a rear vent are optimally placed to quickly detect sound coming in. Massive password leak affects billions. A recent data breach has exposed approximately 16 billion passwords, putting Apple, Facebook, Google, and other users at risk. Potential impact. The leak could lead to unauthorized access to personal accounts, identity theft, and other security issues. Immediate action. Change your passwords immediately, especially for sensitive accounts. Use unique passwords for each account to minimize the impact of a breach. Enable two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security. Monitor your accounts regularly for suspicious activity. SWAY 1.11 released. The SWAY 1.11 Tiling Wayland compositor has been released with support for explicit synchronization, enhancing performance and user experience. DXVK 262 update. DXVK 262 has been released, improving support for games like Rocket Birds 2 and Red Orchestra. Ostfront. Ubuntu 25.1 update. Ubuntu 25.1 Questing Quokka will remove the GNOME on Zorg X11 session, marking a shift towards Wayland. Audacity 3.7.4 released. Audacity 3.7.4 has been released with improved effect previews, studio fade-out options, and optimized waveform rendering. Rocky Linux 10 released. Rocky Linux 10 is now available as a free alternative to Red Hat Enterprise Linux 10, offering a stable and secure server experience. Linux Mint 22.2 update. Linux Mint 22.2 Zara will feature fingerprint authentication capabilities with the FingWit app. Kali Linux 2025.2 released. Kali Linux 2025.2 has been released with visual improvements, including GNOME 48 and KDE 6.